Tech is evolving fast, and today we're showing you the coolest tools that prove the future is already here. From smart innovations to powerful everyday gadgets, these picks will upgrade the way you live, work, and play. Like the video and hit subscribe. You won't want to miss what's coming next. Number 10. Edifier QR65. The Edifier QR65 isn't just a pair of speakers. It's a complete sound solution for music producers and audio lovers who want professional quality right at their desk. These active desktop studio monitors deliver 70 watts of powerful, clean audio, enhanced by full digital signal processing, DSP, and dual active crossovers for precise frequency balance. What makes them stand out is the built-in GaN, gallium nitride charger, offering efficient, fast charging with minimal heat. But the QR65 isn't just about sound. It also features stunning tempo abyss lighting effects that sync with your music, creating a vibrant visual atmosphere. Versatility is key. The QR65 supports Bluetooth 5.3, USB, line-in, and has subwoofer output options, making it compatible with virtually any setup. Whether you're recording, editing, or simply relaxing with your favorite playlist, the Edifier QR65 delivers studio-level performance in a stylish, compact design. It's the perfect upgrade for any creative workspace. Number 9. OneXPlayer G1. The OneXPlayer G1 is not your average handheld PC. It's a high-performance modular gaming machine designed for serious gamers and professionals alike. Powered by an AMD X370 processor alongside the Intel 255H, this compact powerhouse delivers lightning-fast performance in a sleek portable design. Its 8.8-inch 2.5K display offers a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, giving you crystal-clear visuals whether you're gaming or multitasking. The detachable keyboard adds flexibility, allowing you to switch effortlessly between handheld gaming and desktop productivity. Built-in OQL link enhances connectivity for an immersive experience, while the esports-grade Hall Effect joystick ensures precise control in fast-paced action. Number 8. IVYCable P6. The IVYCable P6 is not just a cable. It's your everyday power solution, cleverly designed for both convenience and performance. This 60-watt fast-charging cable supports pass-through charging, meaning it can power your devices while charging itself at the same time. With a built-in 3,000 milliamp-hour battery, it doubles as a compact power bank, ensuring you're always prepared even when outlets are out of reach. What makes it stand out is the self-folding magnetic design, which keeps it neat and tangle-free in your pocket or bag. It's compatible with both USB-C and Lightning inputs, so you can use it with nearly any modern device. Whether you're an Android or Apple user, IVYCable P6 has you covered. Say goodbye to forgotten power banks or misplaced cables. This all-in-one solution ensures you never leave power behind. Built for everyday carry, the IVYCable P6 is the ultimate backup you didn't know you needed. Number 7. OSO AI Earbuds. The OSO AI Earbuds aren't just for listening, they're your intelligent audio companion. These cutting-edge earbuds combine high-quality sound with built-in AI capabilities, transforming the way you interact with your audio. They automatically transcribe and organize everything, from phone calls and Zoom meetings to media playback, so you never miss a word. With Unify storage, all your voice data is safely kept and easily accessible. What sets these earbuds apart is the OSO Assistant, a real-time personal AI you can talk to directly. It reviews your voice memories, understands context, and gives customized responses based on your conversations. Whether you're on a call, reviewing a past meeting, or simply listening to music, the OSO AI earbuds keep you connected, productive, and in control. It's like having a smart assistant in your ears, always ready, always learning. Number 6. FitYa Space Shuttle Watch. The FitYa Space Shuttle Watch is more than a timepiece. It's a bold statement of innovation and futuristic style. With its transparent case and eye-catching space shuttle dial, it captures the essence of exploration and cutting-edge design. The unique 3D time display is positioned on the side of the case, offering a fresh take on traditional watch design. Crafted with a domed sapphire crystal, the watch is as durable as it is striking. The quick-release strap ensures comfort and convenience, allowing for easy swaps to match your style. Whether you're a space enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply someone who appreciates standout accessories, this watch makes a lasting impression. Wearing the FitYa Space Shuttle watch means carrying the spirit of the innovation on your wrist. It's not just about telling time, it's about making time unforgettable. Number 5, Maka Nike KT84 keyboard. Step into the future of typing with a touch of retro charm. The Maka Nike KT84 isn't your average keyboard. It's a statement. Featuring a transparent, see-through body and a dot matrix LED display, it blends vintage vibes with next-gen functionality. Whether you're a gamer, a coder, or a creative, this keyboard adapts to you. With 84 keys, 12 multimedia controls, and hot swappable gasket mount switches, it delivers both customization and comfort. The built-in 8,000 mAh battery keeps you going for days, and the ATFT HD screen displays your system stats or custom pixel animations. Compatible with both Mac and PC, wired or Bluetooth, this is the keyboard that turns your desk into a command center. Number 4, OBSBOT Tiny SE. The OBSBOT Tiny SE is a cutting-edge smart webcam designed to keep you perfectly framed at all times with AI-powered tracking. Whether you're live streaming, gaming, or in a video conference, this compact camera delivers crisp visuals at 1080p with 100 frames per second or 720p at 120 FPS. It features ultra-large pixels and dual native ISO for superior low-light performance, ensuring clarity even in dim environments. With advanced autofocus, you're always in sharp focus, and the plug-and-play design makes setup effortless. The Tiny SE integrates seamlessly with all major streaming and video platforms, making it an ideal choice for professionals and content creators alike. Whether you're presenting, gaming, or recording, the OBSBOT Tiny SE gives you studio-quality tracking and performance in a sleek, reliable package. Number 3, Tiny Edge Shaver. The Tiny Edge is a revolutionary portable shaver that plugs directly into your phone via USB-C, eliminating the need for batteries or bulky chargers. Weighing just 68 grams, it's designed for everyday carry, offering convenience without sacrificing performance. Equipped with durable titanium blades and a high-speed 7,000 RPM motor, it delivers a clean, smooth shave anytime, anywhere. Built for efficiency and portability, the Tiny Edge is IPX7 waterproof, making it safe to use in wet environments or on the go. It even features a built-in nose hair trimmer and utilizes NFC charging capability for added innovation. Whether you're traveling, at work, or just need a quick touch-up, the Tiny Edge is your compact grooming solution. Small in size but big on performance, it's redefining how modern men maintain their style, right from their smartphones. Number 2, GardenYo Indoor Planter. GardenYo lets you grow up to 30 large plants indoors using less than 2 square feet of space. Perfect for homes, apartments, or offices, this intelligent garden system uses built-in cameras and sensors to monitor and adjust light and water levels automatically. Its self-watering tank holds over 4 gallons, reducing maintenance and making plant care effortless. This innovative setup is completely pesticide-free and uses 95% less water than traditional gardening, making it eco-friendly and sustainable. Whether you want to grow herbs, fruits, vegetables, or flowers, GardenYo supports over 100 different plant varieties. With optimized conditions and fast growth cycles, you can harvest fresh produce in as little as 4 weeks. Ideal for beginners and pros alike, GardenYo brings the joy of farming indoors. No green thumb required. Number 1, BusyBar. Say goodbye to distractions with BusyBar, your personal productivity sidekick designed to keep you in the zone. This sleek device features a bold LED matrix that clearly displays your current focus status and a rear OLED screen for real-time updates. With intuitive mechanical controls, you can flip between 5 modes, press the oversized start button, and scroll to set custom timers without breaking your flow. Built for serious productivity, BusyBar supports smart home integration via the Matter protocol and works seamlessly with Home Assistant. It's more than a timer. It's your new workflow companion. These gadgets aren't just impressive, they're next level. Whether it's style, power, or pure smart design, there's something here for everyone. Which one's your favorite? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech finds every week.